All right, so example number 8. This reads, Pasco High School is planning a trip to Six Flags. The number of buses taken will be 4 more than 5 times the number of vans they take. They took 124 vehicles total. It's weird. This whole tense is messed up. It's saying they will, but then it says they took. I don't know. They will take. How about that? They will take. They will take. Okay, they will take 124 vehicles total. How many of each were driven? Okay, so we have the number of buses. So number of buses will be 4 more than 5 times the number of vans they took. Number of vans they take. Oh yeah. So, and they will take 124 vehicles a total. So that's the total, 124 vehicles total. So let's start off by labeling our variables. So the number of buses. So B, number of buses. Number of buses. And that will also, well, they will also take vans. So V is the number of vans. Don't just write vans. Don't just write buses. Put number of buses, number of vans. And so we know that the number of buses, so let's go back to blue. So the number of buses is 4 more. So it's 4 more than 5 times the number of vans. And we know that they will take 124 vehicles total. That's a lot. That's ridiculous, but it works. Whatever. So the number of buses plus the number of vans plus the number of vans that they take will total 124. So let's box our equations here, and we know that. So I like doing this one. You could take. You see how it says b equals? Well, then if we know what b equals, which is 5v plus 4, we'll just put it right there. We'll just take this, put it right here. So I'm going to put b plus v equals 124. b plus v equals 124. I like to take the total one. You could make this one say b equals and then plug it in there, or make this one say v equals and plug it in there, or make this one say v equals and plug it in there. There's lots of different methods of doing this. I'm just showing you the way that I think is the most efficient in this problem, for these types of problems. So v was orange. Don't worry if you put it right here. Like, you'll still get the same answer. Like, if you put v plus b instead of b plus v, like, it doesn't matter. Like, you'll get the same answer. So that v, oh, it gave us b. My bad. Get it? Get it? My bad. Okay. So b, I'm going to turn that into, or substitute that with 5v plus 4, and I'm going to keep this v equals 124, and the parentheses play no role in any of this. Like, they're not significant at all, other than to show that they came, like, you know, that this came from here. And 5v plus v is 6v plus 4 equals 124. I will subtract 4 from both sides. I get 6v equals 120. Divide by 6. Divide each side by 6. And v was orange, so I will write v equals 20. The number of vans that they will take is 20. And now I will substitute in this 20 in for v to one of these equations to figure out b. It doesn't matter which one. I actually think I might show you that it doesn't matter. So I will write this first one down here. So B equals 5V. I will write that at least in orange. 5V. Actually, I should probably put it in blue. So B equals 5, and then V plus 4. But instead of V, I'm going to substitute in 20. So I get 5 times 20 plus 4. 5 times 20 is 100. 100 plus 4 is 104. Now, if you for some reason want to try the other equation, B plus V equals 124, I'll put or. You could do B and then plus, trying to make it the same color, plus V, oops, and then equals 124. You could substitute in 20 here. So you end up with B. You end up with B plus 20 equals 124, and then you take away the 20, and you get B equals 104. I guess I should put that back in blue, right? B equals 1. Oh, I forgot to subtract it here. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. So then you end up with B equals 104. So you could plug it in here, which I think is easier, or you can substitute in the 20 here and then figure out what B is. Either way, you'll get the same answer. So let's talk about our solution. So I'm going to put, well, I put B and then B, so I'm going to put B and V again. B and then V. So B was 104 and V was 20. So the number of buses taken will be 104. And the number, you could also say, I'll say it differently in a second. And the number of vans taken is 20. This is like an obscene amount of kids. That's 104 buses, but whatever. Will be 20. You could also say they will take 104 buses and 20 vans if you want to make it shorter. As long as you're identifying which number goes with buses, which number goes with vans in like a sentence or two, you're fine. So that's it. Thank you.